Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and I haven't been back on YouTube long form in a little while. Let me know, do you guys prefer YouTube shorts or do you prefer the longer videos? Let me know, okay? I have a couple things I want to go over. Firstly, February 1st starts round 2 of our Moisture Matters Challenge. So what's the Moisture Matters Challenge? That challenge is 7 days of drinking a gallon of water each day. So for those of you who feel like that's not a challenge, awesome. Shout outs to you. But for a lot of us, drinking that amount of water can be very difficult. But of course, it will serve us in so many ways. So not just for our hair, not just for our bodies, but for our minds as well. So last month, we executed it successfully. There were about 50 participants. This time around, I know we can do better. Sign up, okay? If you are interested in completing, succeeding in the Moisture Matters Challenge, definitely sign up. And the way to do so is by texting me the word goals, number 2, goals 2, to my number 917-810-3423. And you will be automated into our challenge. And throughout the 7 days, I'll be texting you all to give encouragement and reminders to stay consistent and don't give up, okay? One key to take with you, try to drink as much water as you can earlier on in the day. That way, you're not waking up in the middle of the night to use the bathroom, okay? Pro tip. All right. With that being said, announcement number 2 is that the Love, Light, and Locks products are only going to be available from the 15th through the 18th of each month moving forward. So right now it is January 28th. You can shop the products as usual. You can grab your rose water moisturizer, the refill, the horsetail leaf growth oil, and the emu oil growth drops. And for a temporary time only, you can buy the shampoo as well. But you are able to do so now because starting February, our products will only be available in drops. So basically in small releases in a limited window from the 15th through the 18th of each month. So that's 4 days. You have 4 days to grab your hair care products each month, okay? So you can either subscribe to my email list to make sure you don't ever forget when a drop is happening, or you can absolutely input your email in the notify me section when the product is sold out. There'll be a little email submission place. You can put your email there so that I can email you once it's back in stock. So that's another option. Another option is that you could subscribe to your favorite products or whatever product you need so that it's automated. You automatically get set your product however frequency you choose. So maybe you want your product every 2 months. It'll be automatic for you if you subscribe in that way. So those are the options for you for the hair care products. As far as the head wraps and stuff, you can shop the head wraps and accessories all month long, however you want, whenever you want. And for those of you who pre-ordered the Long Lux head wraps, those pre-orders are going out very, very soon, as early as the 31st. So stay tuned for that. And last but not least, you may have noticed that we have downsized on a lot of our products. We are now focusing on our best sellers, which are the Rose Water Moisturizer and the Refill, the Emu Oil Growth Drops, and the Horsetail Leaf Growth Oil. So for a temporary time only, for the next couple of days probably, it's going to be sold out. But for now, the shampoo is available. So definitely grab your shampoo if you are interested in having a sulfate-free, clarifying, lightweight shampoo that's not going to leave your hair feeling too stripped. You know, it's a gentle detox essentially. So if you are interested in that shampoo, definitely grab yours now while there's still a few in stock, okay? It's not coming back anytime soon, if at all, honestly. That shampoo may not come back at all because I want to focus on the best sellers, okay? So with that being said, those 4 products that I mentioned are available in a bundle. The Nurture with Nature box. Of course, you can buy each individual product But if you buy the bundle, you'll be able to save more money. So that is an offer available to you. All right, and that's all I have for you today. Leave me any comments, questions down below. If you have any video requests, any hair concerns, let me know, and I would like to speak to you in video form. That's an easy way for me to come up with content for you guys answering questions, okay? So definitely comment down below or shoot me an email, because sometimes I get too many comments on YouTube and I don't get to see them all. So if you would like your question to be answered in the video, shoot me an email. Check the description box down below for my contact info, okay? Or you can go to my website, KeishaCharmaine.com, and put in your concern on the contact form on my website. All right? Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.